In Jamaica, land of sun and song, where children play and dance all day long, the rain comes down, and they don't despair, for they know how to have fun in the air. With umbrellas high and puddles deep, they splash and laugh, and never sleep. Their joy is contagious, it's plain to see. In Jamaica, children play free. Their laughter echoes through the streets, as they dance and twirl in the rain's beat. Their smiles are bright, their spirits light. In Jamaica, children chatter with delight. The rainbow appears in the sky, a sign of hope, a promise nigh. For in Jamaica, children know how to play, and make the most of every day. So let the rain fall down on their heads, for they know how to make it a joyful tread. In Jamaica, children play in the rain, and bring happiness to everyone again and again.